Welcome to all. I hope all of you are well and safe. Today I would like to discuss about chapter 6, concept of mole and chemical counting. This is the chapter of 6. Our topics for today: mole, determining the molecular mass of a molecule, molar volume, and these are the topics of today. And the chapter 5, 6, 7 are the syllabus for third monthly. Now I want to start from first topics, mole. What is mole? One mole any substance is equal to gram molecular mass of that substance is equal to 22.4 liter is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecule of that substance. So what is mole? The amount of a chemical substance that have Avogadro number of molecules and the volume is 22.4 and the weight is equal to the gram molecular mass of that substance. So this amount is known as mole. So we can write 1 mole any substance is equal to gram molecular mass of that substance is equal to 22.4 liter is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecule. So this is the equation related to mole, gram molecular mass, molar volume and number. So next topics, determining the molecular mass of a molecule. So molecular mass. What is molecular mass? Suppose H2SO4 is a chemical compound. So this compound is constituted by hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Hydrogen has atomic mass of its own, sulfur as also and oxygen as also. So the summation of the atomic mass that constitute the compound denotes the molecular mass. So the molecular mass of H2SO4 will be, here atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, which is to be multiplied by 2 because there is 2, plus sulfur 32, oxygen 16 multiplied by 4, so this will be 98. So 98 is the molecular mass of H2SO4. So we can say that the summation of atomic mass of element that constitute the compound denotes the molecular mass. Next, molar volume. Molar volume. The volume which is occupied by 1 mole of chemical substance is known as molar volume. So, molar volume is that the volume which is occupied by 1 mole of substance is known as molar volume. Now we have to solve some problems. Suppose calculate the number of H2SO4 molecules in 1 gram H2SO4. This is the problem. So here is a relation. Calculate the number with respect to amount, that means gram. So what is the relation? The equation 1 mole any substance is equal to gram molecular mass of that substance is equal to 22.4 liter is equal to Avogadro number of molecule. So the relation of number, Avogadro number and gram molecular mass. So we have to find out the molecular mass of H2SO4. And here 1 mole. So 1 mole is related to gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass means the molecular mass, whenever it is converted to gram, then it will be gram molecular mass. So 1 mole H2SO4 is equal to 98 gram H2SO4, and this amount contains Avogadro number of H2SO4 molecule. So 98 gram H2SO4 contains number of H2O molecule. 98 gram H2SO4 contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of H2SO4 molecule. So 1 gram H2SO4 contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 98 number of H2SO4. So this result will be the number of H2SO4 molecules in 1 gram H2SO4. I hope all of you have understood this. Now another problem is calculate the number of hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen atoms in 1 gram H2SO4. So we have to calculate the number of hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen atoms in 1 gram H2SO4. We know 1 mole H2SO4 is equal to 98 gram H2SO4, which contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of H2SO4 molecules. So if we consider one molecule H2SO4 from this number of H2SO4 molecules. We consider one molecule H2SO4 from Avogadro number of H2SO4 molecules. So one molecule H2SO4 contains 2 H atom, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atom. This is the count of one molecule. So if we consider 1 mole, then the hydrogen atoms will be 2 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atom. So 1 mole for 1 mole H2SO4, sulfur will be Avogadro number of sulfur atoms, and for 1 mole H2SO4, oxygen will be 4 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 20 number of oxygen atoms. So (98 gram), that means 1 mole contains 2 multiplied by 0.6.02 into 10 to the power 23 number of H atom. So 1 gram contains, this will be multiplied by 98 and answer will be the number of hydrogen atom. Next, 98 gram H2SO4 contains 1 multiplied by Avogadro number of sulfur atoms, and for 1 gram this will be multiplied by 9. Similarly, 98 gram H2SO4 contains 4 multiplied by Avogadro number of oxygen atoms, and which for 1 gram H2SO4 this will be multiplied by 98, and the answer will be the number of hydrogen atoms, sulfur atoms and oxygen atoms in 1 gram of H2SO4. So here is a problem or HW for you. Calculate the number of hydrogen and oxygen atoms in 5 gram H2O. This will be HW for you. Calculate the number of hydrogen and oxygen atoms in 5 gram H2O. So last problem for these topics. Calculate the volume of 5 gram CH4. Calculate the volume of 5 gram CH4. So the relation is volume and gram. We know the gram molecular mass of CH4, that means 1 mole CH4 is equal to 16 gram CH4. This is 12 and this is 1 4, this is 16 gram CH4. So 16 gram, the volume of 16 gram CH4 is 22.4 liter, and 5 gram CH4 consumes 22.4 multiplied by 5 and divided by 16. This will be the volume of 5 gram CH4. I think all of you have understood this. So study hard and be safe. Thank you very much.